This is the GoPro Media Mod. In the box, you do get the Media Mod. I was not too kind when opening this box up, and I accidentally damaged it. This Media Mod looks pretty good. On the side here, you pull this lever to open it up to put the GoPro into it. There's a Type-C right here that plugs into the GoPro. On the back here, you do have a microphone port, another Type-C port, and a mini display port. With the mini display port, you're able to put a monitor here up on top. This Type-C right here will help you be able to charge your GoPro while it's in there if you don't want to take the battery out. And this audio jack right here, you can plug in external microphones, which I have done a lot of times. And underneath this windsock right here is a built-in microphone. Now this is how I run it. I get my GoPro, put that in, open up the side, line up the port to the actual Type-C like this, slip it in, close this side. It does make the standard GoPro a bit more beefier. Flip out the little legs here on the bottom. They do become more difficult to get out with this Media Mod. I slip the connector on, which luckily since there's a divot right here, you can connect it. Then I put on a tripod of my choice, a light on the side. Someplace I film gets very dark. And on top, I attach a microphone via this 3.5mm jack port. This setup right here, it may look really stupid, but the video quality is what I go for, not looks. Now inside the GoPro, you power it on by holding the bigger button on the outside. The Media Mod, you can choose front, back, or camera's mic. You can use the back, so I can prioritize the audio coming from the back side of the microphone, which I set it to the front. Wind is on auto. And as you can see here, there's a little bar at the bottom that moves when using it. This is me using the Media Mod's microphone on the front of the Media Mod. No external mic, just the built-in one. What do you think of the sound? This is me talking from the back of it. It should be prioritizing the sound from the front, thus meaning talking in the front should sound better than talking in the back. Sometimes I don't want to run around with this big bulky setup. It just has something clean and simple, and I run this. I use this thing so much, I've lost the door for my actual GoPro because this thing's almost always on it. All around a super neat product and just super nice to actually have. I'm glad I've gotten it and it's held up throughout the years.